Hi there, and today just a quick simple video on something I've already shown in another video. How to cheat and trick on X-Plane. It's not quite cheating, of course, but X-Plane gives you a cool option to put your airplane in any configuration you want at any speed and altitude in a flight as you wish. So instead of having to take off all the time, if you just want to practice landing, for example, you go in location, local map, and from there you can take your aircraft and place it anywhere on the map, and you can give it whatever heading you like. You can see I'm increasing the heading. I can choose the altitude. I can put it at 4,500 feet and give it a certain speed, like I would think this is in knots. It's 400 knots, 470 knots I think. So you can put it in this configuration, and when you quit this page it will be in this configuration. It will just take a few seconds to load. We're gonna manage this. No, we're not. I don't think we are. Anyways, now we're gonna land. Never mind, I'm just gonna make a low pass. High speed low pass. That's nice. Say hi to the control, to the ATC, and boom! Lift off. Lovely. Lovely graphics, lovely picture. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and want more tutorials on any other subjects, please suggest any subjects. I'll try to make videos about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.